YouTube? It's your girl Shantelle Lace coming at you with another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made my daughter's vanity using Dollar Tree and inexpensive products. So if you want to see how I made her vanity, just stay tuned. Okay, so I got this table from the Goodwill for $9, and we're gonna spray paint it white. So yeah. So now I need to make the mirror to her vanity, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take two poster boards from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to glue them together so that way it'll be nice and sturdy to hold my mirror. Okay, so now that I've glued my poster boards together, I've used this paper that I got from Hobby Lobby. It was for $1, 25 cents a sheet, and basically glued it on one side so that way her vanity could be decorative. The other side does not have it, as you can see. So there goes my two poster boards. And now I just need to glue down her mirror. I got this 20 by 13 inch mirror from Michael's for $7. And we're gonna glue this on here, and this will be her mirror for her vanity. I'm just trying to figure out how I want her mirror placed. I want to make sure it's even on the board. So I'm just going to kind of face it to myself and see where I want it. I think I want it about here. I think that looks good. So now I'm going to take my good old E6000 glue, which, you know, I'm almost out because I'm using it up. And I'm gonna flip this mirror over, and I'm just gonna squeeze that all on there. And this thing is almost gone, so it's kind of hard to squeeze out. We gotta work with what we got. It's almost gone, so I'll have to get some more soon. Been doing a lot of projects, y'all. And I love this glue because it's so strong. It holds so many things, like, oh my god. Alright, so we got our E6000 glue on there. So we got our E6000 glue on there. So now I'm just going to flip the mirror over, and I'm going to do it looking at it this way so I know that it's straight when I put it down. So this is where we're going to have her mirror, and you want to make sure it's straight and even. Don't want her mirror crooked, and plop that bad boy down. So now that this is on there, just gonna set some books on top of it to give it some weight. And we are avid readers in this household, so I have like 2 bookshelves full of books. So I'm just gonna set that on there so it has some nice weight, and I'm gonna let it dry overnight, and I will show you the finished product. Now that her mirror is put together, I'm going to make a hatch to go around her mirror, and I'm going to use these crates that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna put them together using these zip ties that I got from the Dollar Tree. I was going to glue them because, as you see, they have these little holes right here, and you could put glue in there and kind of connect them together, but I wanted to use zip ties so that way if we change her vanity, I can reuse these crates. Just take the zip ties apart. So I'm just going to connect the little holes together, and I'm going to get some zip ties and start connecting these. So as you see, I have this zip tie done. I have the little knot at the bottom, so that way it won't poke out, and I'm gonna cut off the excess. Let's do the next one. So on this next one, I'm taking the zip tie, as you see, and I'm putting it through the first circle. And then I'm gonna put the string down through the handles and then tie the zip tie. Get in, and just tie it tight, boom, and it's connected. And the little knot is at the bottom, so if she wants to set anything, she can. It won't be obstructing it. So to make sure that I get the right height, I have a poster board right here, and I'm gonna lay it down and just make sure I have the right height. So it looks like I need 4 for each side. So I'm just gonna take this, and we're gonna connect the little holes. There's holes here. I mean, if you wanna make this very permanent, you can by using some glue. But like I said, if we change her vanity in the future, I want to make sure that it's all good. So, stick that. Stick it through the second hole, go through the handle. Super easy to put together, you guys. Super easy. So this will be one whole side. So we're gonna get her other side done. So since this is going to be the top, I'm going to do the same thing, but this time I'm going to make sure that the little spindle for the zip tie is in between the handles, so that way you cannot see it. Show you closer. I was having the zip tie knot at the bottom. On the other ones, this one, it's going to be in the middle of the handles, so when you see it on her vanity, you will not see it at all. Got all 3 of her hatches done. I'm going to spray paint them using the Rust-Oleum 2-in-1 paint and primer and white semi-gloss. So I'm gonna get these spray painted and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I got it all spray painted white and she is put together. Me and my daughter, we cut some foam board into little pieces and she put the little decorative paper that she likes on there, and we're gonna put them in here so that way it looks nice and decorative. That way not all these little holes are showing. So there we go, just cut them to fit and glued it on there. And now we're just putting them in. They look nice and decorative. Push that all the way back. Those are all in there, and then we cut some more foam board, and this one we did not put anything on, just gonna leave them plain white. And we're just gonna slide them in so that way she can set stuff on top of her in here without it falling through the holes. Little makeshift, super easy, cute, and cheap. You just slide them in. And I like this because if we ever want to change the design of her vanity, we can. You just take the foam boards out and take the foam boards out, and she will have her a little vanity. And we can change the design. If she wants to change it to purple, blue, green, whatever. So this is it. This is the final product. We're gonna put it all together and I will show you the final product of her vanity. Started, I have some extra 2x4s and some wood that I got cut from Lowe's. I got 4 pieces right here and 2 extra pieces right here. And the wood was only $1, y'all. And then I got this wooden plank, which was $10. It was really like probably about 6 feet long, and I had them cut this down for her seat, and we are going to get her stool built for her vanity. So now that I went on and hammered, I have a friend helping me hammering the frames together for her stool. So as you see, we just used one finishing nail, and we used some wood glue, and yeah, and we got it all hammered up. And so now we're just gonna add these 2 frames to this base and get that going, and I'll show you guys the finished product. Okay, so this is the finished frame of the stool, because I still need to paint it and do some more things, but I wanted to show you guys. This is what me and my friend created for my daughter so she could sit on. It's very fine. It's nice and sturdy enough to sit on, so I was happy about that. So I'm going to spray paint this white, and I will show y'all me putting it together because she wants a fur chair. This is the finished stool. I spray painted the legs white, super cute. So now this foam that I already had for another project, and I'm going to cut some out so she can have some cushion on her stool. Make sure it's cut this all the way through. It's folded, as y'all see. Let it stay. This is for another project. This is actually good enough. What I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it like this, so it's a nice little cushion. And what I'm going to be using is this fast grab tacky spray. It's good for fabrics and stuff. So I'm going to use this, which is going to make it so much faster. So just spray the seat. And we're going to slap this right on. And it's just going to stick. Look at that. Sticks right on. And what I'm going to do is spray this. So this will stick together. See that? Super quick and easy. That now she's gonna have cushion. And my baby, she wanted a fur chair, so I have this fabric that's left over from another project. We made her some fur pillows, and it's just enough fabric for her seat, as you can see. So we're gonna use this little spray adhesive and tack it down. So what I'm gonna do, oops, I'm gonna spray the wood. Just nice and good. And we're gonna tack this down because it grabs super fast. So this chair was really easy to make. Less than 20 minutes and this chair is done. Alright, so this is the finished product. This is what her vanity looks like. It's super cute. Her little stool, don't mind the messy room, and the little desk, and her little hat, just super cute. So I got these push lights from the dollar store, and all you do is have to put in some AAA batteries. It takes 3, and I bought 5 of them, and they come with a little sticky adhesive on the back. So all you do is peel off the sticker and stick it on, and all you do is have to twist it off when you need to change the battery. But yes, this is the finished product of her vanity. Super cute. Yes, and I'll have everything linked down below so you can get the total cost. But this was very cheap, and I'm very pleased with how it came out and how it looks. I hope you guys are too. Let me know in the comment section if you guys like this vanity. But that's all I have for this video. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.